Welcome to this new podcast series, Data Centers Decoded, India Playbook. My name is Sharad Agarwal. I am Chief Executive Officer of Sify InfinitLoop Limited. In this podcast series, we will go behind the scene of digital infrastructure in conversation with industry experts, subject matter experts, and we will explore and dive deep into the challenges and opportunities that digital infrastructure has. Whether you are a global enterprise looking to enter India or a technology professional trying to understand the nuances of this ecosystem, this series is designed as your practical playbook, built from real experience, not just the theory. Sify built India's first private commercial data center in September 2000. This is 25 years of Sify's journey in the data center world. This journey coincides with India's digital economy growth, digital transformation growth, from internet to digital transformation, adoption of cloud, now going towards artificial intelligence. Data centers are multidisciplinary, complex industrial infrastructure. It's made of land, power, fiber, building. All these elements have its own complexities and nuances. We need to navigate these challenges. These challenges are not blockers. These challenges need to be understood well and then be taken upon itself in the ways that we could design, build, and operate most efficient data centers. So what we will do, we will focus on 5 key aspects while working in going through these episodes. First is demand creation. The data center so far, or the digital infrastructure demand so far, had been driven primarily by the cloud adoption, digital transformation, and the hyperscalers were at the forefront of this demand creation. We will see how e-governance, digital transformation in enterprises, content delivery, the digital transformation or the innovations, the new innovations, how can that drive the digital infrastructure demand and how it can contribute to the digital economy of India. Infrastructure. We will focus on what kind of infrastructure elements need to be deployed in what content, in what level, in what locations, so that the power is available enough for the data centers. Renewable energy is available enough for the data centers so that there is more and more sustainable way of operating these data centers. There are good amount of fiber network in place. How we grow and scale the cable landing station to connect India to the rest of the world. Data centers need heavy engineering equipments, transformers, chillers, electrical panel, generator. These need to be manufactured somewhere. As we move forward to improve and maintain India's cost competitiveness, we require supply chain to be fully done in India. We will also focus on the policy and regulations. What kind of policy support required from various government and regulatory bodies and jurisdiction to create ease of doing business, to bring as much as ease in the execution, build, and operation of the data center. What are the challenges currently we are facing from the policy or ease of doing business front? What are the sweet spots? What are the best practices that we have observed already in certain states? What are the best practices implemented across the world that can be implemented in India for better ease of doing business? Talent is the key aspect. How do we develop the talent? How can we participate, collaborate with the government, with the academia, with the industry to bring the know-how and the challenges and the content together to educate and develop, build a data center ready talent. And last but not the least, we also need to focus on how we can make sure that the capital is available at the right way, at the right cost, so that it continues to help India maintain its competitive edge from the cost-wise. In the episodes ahead, we will dive into the opportunities, challenges, and unique dynamics
that define the India market and why now is the right time to decode India data center landscape. So stay tuned. Data Center Decoded begins now. Let's explore the India story together, one conversation at a time.